welcome to my channel. Today I just want to unboxing a real small little things I got for my Christmas. So this is a Christmas unboxing for myself. It's a little something from Cleef Arpels, and this is the real unboxing. I want to open up everything with you guys in this video. So let's get started. What's inside this box is? I'm so excited. It's very cute. Okay, first of all, they have this little booklet. This apparently it's from Alhambra collections. I think this is just some little card for the new new jewelries, new earrings, and then this white gold earrings, so pretty, rings, necklace, and also the Sweet Alhambra necklace, the butterfly one. So it's very cute. That's it for this. Okay, and then I also have a booklet like this. Let me see what's inside. Okay, now I know what it is. This is the certificate. It's gonna be like this. So I won't open it. Okay, I don't open it. It's something like this. It's kind of like a authentication card from other places, from other brand. And then this is, I believe this is a service care booklet, and it has all different languages. Like they have like French, English, and all those languages. So it's for everybody. And then that's it for this booklet. That's it. Okay, inside. And also I got a travel case. My essay is really nice, and she got me a travel case for my little jewelry. Okay, so the next is the real unboxing. So let's unbox this together. It's a very cute piece. I loved it so much. Okay, so okay, let's get it in the boxes. So what it is, let's open. Oh my god. Okay, this is like this. So this is the bracelets, the Sweet Alhambra bracelets, like so. So it has two closure. One is the longer lens and one is the smaller lens. So it can go longer and smaller like this. It has two close. And then apparently it has Cleef Arpels, and this is in rose gold with the red Alhambra flower. So it's gonna be like this. Isn't it? It's so pretty. I loved it. So pretty. So every time you go to the boutique, usually the Etsy will give you all the inventory they have, usually 3 to 5, and they will you can pick. So different, each piece is individual. So each one of them, the color, the red color, some of the red is more darker, some is lighter. So it all depends on what you want. So usually if they have the inventory in the store, they will ask. They will bring it out for you to pick, because everybody has a different red in their heart. So I just bought it to pair up with my love bracelets here. So it's gonna be so cute. I love it so much. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll come back later. Bye. Thank you so much.